Hello guys, welcome to my another video. This is Arch, your host, and you're watching me on Russell Brothers. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about WWE's next pay-per-view, that is Hell in a Cell, which is going to happen day after tomorrow. And in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the spoilers, my predictions, and some interesting facts about this pay-per-view. So stay tuned. Okay, first match, that is Elias versus Jeff Hardy. So this match is a very quick based match which has been set up by WWE on a very quickly basis, but it's good that Elias is getting a pay-per-view and a match against Jeff Hardy in a pay-per-view. So I think the match will be good, and the way their rivalry, the backstory that has been carried is really a good one. So I hope that both Elias and Jeff Hardy gives a good fight, because Elias has been returning to the ring after a long time, and I want Elias particularly to win this match because it's his return match, and at the same time Elias needs something to grow his career, and I think this match is a big push for Elias. Okay, now the next match is between Otis, the Money in the Bank winner, and The Miz, and the stipulation is that whoever wins gets the Money in the Bank. That is, Otis' Money in the Bank is on the line. So I would be much more happy if this match goes on a ladder match, but looking at Otis, it's not possible. So I don't have that much expectation from the match, but I hope the match will be a bit funny or a bit good one, and definitely the winner will be none other than the Otis. The Otis will retain his Money in the Bank briefcase, and I think the match will be ending in a very funny way, or something in a very casual way. Okay, now coming up to the main cards. Okay, so first, the Hell in a Cell match for the SmackDown Women's Championship between Sasha Banks and Bayley. Many months in the making between these two for the rivalry, and it's a much awaited match. And I believe that this match has some great expectation, because both Bayley and Sasha is a very good performer, and I hope that their match will be as good as the last year's Hell in a Cell match, where Becky and Sasha Banks face each other in a Hell in a Cell, under Hell in a Cell. So I hope that this match will also be a good one, and for me, I think the winner will be none other than Sasha Banks. I want Sasha to get the championship and to end Bayley's championship. So my prediction is Sasha Banks to become the new SmackDown Women's Champion, and I hope the match will be a very good one. Okay, now the next Hell in a Cell match. The next Hell in a Cell match is for the WWE Championship between Drew McIntyre and Randy Orton. For a long time, their rivalry has been gearing up for a long time, and I think this match will be the end of their rivalry, and for me the winner will be clear cut Drew McIntyre. There is no way that Drew will be losing the championship this soon, because the way the storyline goes, I think it's a long run for Drew McIntyre. And Drew versus Roman for the Survivor Series also been planned. So for me, the winner will be Drew McIntyre, but it will be very tough to beat Randy Orton under Hell in a Cell, because he is a great competitor. So let's see how the match goes. I think this will also be a very good match, but Drew McIntyre will somehow retain the championship. And now the main event, Hell in a Cell first time I Quit match. So under Hell in a Cell, it will be an I Quit match between Roman Reigns and his brother Jey Uso. So the tribal king, or the king of the family, Samoan family, the kind of storyline which WWE has been bringing is really good, is really unique one. And the way the rivalry has been built, that also been good, because this time we have seen Jey Uso attacking Roman Reigns and Roman attacking Jey. So the rivalry has been quite good. But will the match live up to the expectation? I think the answer will be yes, because I think that both these competitors are really comfortable with each other, has a really good understanding, and I think this match has some great expectation. And as per the consequences that's been told by Roman into the SmackDown, that has also been interesting. Everybody have to leave the family, that is Jey Uso, Jimmy Uso, Naomi, everyone. So it's very good thing, even Ricky Z also. So let's see how the thing goes, but I think the match will be a very good one. It's hard, but the winner will definitely be Roman Reigns, because he is the face of SmackDown right now, and there is no way that he's going to lose against Jay. So my prediction is Roman Reigns, and I hope that Hell in a Cell will be a very exciting pay-per-view, because 3 Hell in a Cell match, and I'm really excited, especially the last one. So this is that I wanted to speak in this video. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.